how to buy Solana meme coins on Solflare wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Solana meme coins on Solflare wallet. So let's dive right in. First, launch your Solflare wallet mobile application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see all the coins you currently hold on the homepage. To purchase meme coins, ensure you have enough Solana in your account to cover the gas fees. If you need more Solana, tap on Solana and select the receive option to view its QR code and deposit address. Copy the address and you can transfer Solana from any other wallet or exchange. Alternatively, tap the buy button at the top, select Solana and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Press next and choose a payment method like MoonPay or Coinbase Pay to complete your transaction. Once you've added Solana to your Solflare wallet, you're ready to buy meme coins. Tap on the swap option and make sure Solana is selected at the top. In the select token field, tap and browse through the list of available meme coins such as dog with hat, cat, SL, Earth, etc. For example, if you want to buy Bonk, type Bonk in the search bar, select it, and enter the amount of Solana you'd like to use for the purchase. You'll see the amount of Bonk you'll receive and the equivalent amount in Solana. Tap Review at the bottom, then confirm the swap on the next page. That's all for the video.